guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic if you're new. If you're not, hello again. In today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys through like a weekly vlog or like a couple of days in my life. I'm in the car, as you can see. I'm running a couple of errands and I have a few things on the go this week, so I figured I would take you guys along with me. I just got my lashes done, which was much needed. I feel like I'm saying this in every single video, but I don't know. I think it's with like traveling and being in the heat and now back at home, I've been finding my lashes are just falling out like crazy. And it's just because of the retention. It's actually a good thing. They're healthy and they're like very clean and that kind of stuff. But anyways, I got them done, so I'm feeling good again. And now I am sitting outside of Costco. I have not been here in a hot minute. I want to say since like probably September was the last time I was here. That is simply because when I come to Costco, I spend way too much money. Costco is literally like an adult playground. It is so tempting to just buy everything. So what I have done is I have created a grocery list of all the things that I want and need to get from here. And I'm hoping that I stick to it and I don't go overboard like I usually do. My goal is to be in and out of here in 15-20 minutes. Freaking cow, I am home now. That was a shit show. That was a freaking zoo in there. I don't know why, because it was a Tuesday at noon, but I made it out not in 15-20 minutes. It literally took me an hour because I think for 30 minutes I was waiting in the longest line ever. Yesterday was Monday and it was actually a holiday, so I didn't even think about that. That was probably why Costco was so busy, because it was a long weekend and people probably needed groceries and to restock. So that explains it. I am gonna zoom through a little Costco haul, and I also did go to Walmart to pick up a few things. So from Costco, I got Q-tips, I got snack pack goldfish, and I bought this 4-piece kitchen bin set. I've been looking for these and I have them in my Amazon cart, but I didn't buy them yet, and then I saw it at Costco. It was like $32, so I just picked one up and I'm gonna organize my fridge with this. Then from Costco, I got a big pack of extra large eggs, unsalted butter. These turkey pepperettes are so good. A pack of blueberries, a pack of strawberries. This is something new. It's mini fruit bars. They're strawberry, mango, and blueberry. I thought this would be a good snack, so I picked those up to try. And I am fully out of my rolled oats, so I picked up a new bag, and I think today I'm actually going to show you guys my overnight oatmeal recipe. And then from Walmart, I picked up Fairlife chocolate milk. I needed pan spray, a red pepper and broccoli, extra lean ground beef, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and then a bag of white potatoes. I'm absolutely starving, so I'm gonna turn my air fryer on, make some chicken fingers and like spinach dumplings, and I'm gonna put all of this away. Okay, it is a little bit later now and I just got to the gym finally. I am hitting back and biceps, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I do. First, I wanted to show you guys this bra from Muscle Nation. This is the Balance bra in the color black. It is my favorite. It's the V-neck and it has this little ruching in the middle, but what I love most is the back with like the double strap. I'm gonna try and get through this workout pretty quickly because it is late and there's gonna be a lot of traffic getting back home, and usually I go to the gym in the morning, so let's go. From the gym, and before I literally do anything, I'm gonna show you guys my overnight oats because I need to meal prep some for the rest of the week. I absolutely love this recipe. I eat this almost every single day and it is so good. It is such a good way to get in carbs, protein, micronutrients from the fruit, all of the good stuff. So I'm gonna show you how I make it. Complete side note, but this is what I come home to every day after the gym. Like, look how cute he is. Hi, baby. Did you miss mommy? Did you miss mommy? First things first, we're gonna get our mason jars. I bought these off of Amazon and I absolutely love them. I will link them down below for you guys. I honestly feel like they are the perfect size. I showed you guys these earlier from Costco, but this is the brand that I use. So it is 1 Degree Organic Food and I get the rolled oats. Basically what I do is I'm very specific and I weigh it out to 70 grams, but it's pretty much like 2/3 of a cup. And I pour that into each. Next, we're using almond milk. I go between different brands, but Great Value was on sale last time I was at Walmart, so I picked up this one. Unsweetened vanilla is what I always use. I'm using half a cup of the almond milk for each. Now for some protein, we're gonna use Liberté Greek yogurt. This is the vanilla flavor. I have these like little individual packets, but if you have a tub, it's fine. I put a big tablespoon in. This is optional, but I always like putting protein powder in mine for extra protein. I personally find this one is the best, which is the Select Protein for oats. And I love using the maple brown sugar flavor. And I put 10 grams in each. If you don't have a scale or don't want to like measure it out, it's about like 1/8 of a cup. I'm also adding a teaspoon of chia seeds. And we're just gonna mix it all together. And that is it for now. So I'm gonna cover these and put them in my fridge. Overnight, I'm gonna have my first one tomorrow. I'm also gonna add fruit to the overnight oats, but I personally like putting fresh fruit. Like I just like chopping it up that morning and adding it in. I don't really like doing it like days in advance, but you totally can. It's just for me a texture thing. I prefer to do it this way. So what I'll do is I have already washed all my fruit, so my strawberries and my blueberries. So they're good to go. Tomorrow I will just add whatever blueberries I want if I want to add blueberries. And the strawberries, all I have to do is like just dice it up and then throw it on top and then I'll eat it. Hello guys, happy Wednesday. It is actually the late afternoon. I had such an interesting morning. If you watched, I don't know, a couple of vlogs ago, my Instagram got suspended over like 10 days ago now and I still haven't got it back. So I've been dealing with that. I spent like 2 or 3 hours talking to a live person for the first time in 10 days. So trying to speed up the process and get the issue solved. Then I went to the gym and honestly it's been a snowstorm all day. So I've just been like relaxing. I'm rewatching Outer Banks because the new season is coming out and I got a crap ton of packages. So I figured I am gonna open them up with you guys. This is the first package I got, which is a beauty organizer. So I bought this for under my sink in my bathroom because it is a disaster right now and I just want it to look more clean and organized. So this is a colander and rice washing bowl. This is from the brand Blue Ginkgo, I guess that's how you say it. I just got the neutral colored one, so that is what it looks like. Honestly, I've been seeing these all over TikTok. They're just aesthetic looking, and the main reason I wanted them is for washing fruit. It's just so much easier to throw my strawberries in here with water and baking soda, so this is gonna come in handy. I believe this is the other organizational like storage thing that I bought for my bathroom. I'm gonna have to put it together, but it's basically like a little shelf, so there's that. The other package that I got from Amazon, I am so freaking excited about, but I bought a new book. I feel like I'm going to talk about this a little bit later because I think I'm going to start this today, but it starts with us by Colleen Hoover. And then last but not least, I did get a package from Muscle Nation. They did just have a new release. This is one of 2 packages that I got for it. So these are the Women's Grand Slam basketball shorts in the color antique green in a size small. I actually love these and it feels such high quality and material. I'm gonna do another try on video for you guys when I get my second package to show you everything in more detail and on. But the second thing that came with this package is the women's Train Hard oversized tee in the color white, and I got it in a size medium, and that is basically what it looks like. So the writing is all in green, so these are definitely gonna match together. Sitting on my bathroom floor, and I literally cannot come to terms with how long it took me to put this little shelf storage thing together. I figured it out, so now I'm gonna sort my bathroom under sink situation. So I've already cleaned out and threw out everything that I needed to, but this is kind of what we're working with right now. This is everything I'm going to keep. I just want to get it more organized. So as you can see, I have this like little gray bin. I'm gonna get rid of that because the other little organizers I have right here are acrylic. So I just want to keep it all the same. So this is the little shelf, and then that is the like 5 compartment thing that I bought. So this is kind of the final product of what I'm working with. All of this stuff is like masks and extra toothbrushes, extra like razors, that kind of stuff. I have my deodorant creams and hairspray. In the far back is like sunscreen tanning stuff. And then back there's like extra shampoo and stuff. This is all skincare stuff. This is stuff I've either bought or I've been gifted or things that I just want to try. In the closest little bin here, I have all of the stuff I use pretty much every single day. Then the second one, I have perfumes, and then in the last 2 I have other things. And then down here, honestly, I probably don't need all of this stuff, but it's a lot of body scrubs, face masks, that kind of stuff. This is hair stuff. This is like a little headband when I'm doing skincare, my makeup remover, my tampons and pads. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Looks a lot better now. What is up, guys? Happy Thursday, aka Friday Junior. The weekend is almost here. It is so close. I cannot wait. I actually just parked up. I am getting a hearing test done as well as getting my ears cleaned. I'm actually a little bit early, like 15 minutes-ish or like 13 minutes early. My appointment is at 2 o'clock, but I was at work this morning and I didn't want to be late for my appointment. So I am just sitting here and I am gonna do a little bit of reading for the next like 10 minutes before I go in. I honestly don't think I've had a hearing test done in like 15 years, which is probably so bad. I was Googling it and it was saying like every like 3 to 4 years you should get one done. But my husband Alan just got one done recently and I figured I should get one done too. Plus my left ear honestly has been bothering me for quite some time. I always feel like it's plugged. There might be a chance that something's wrong, or maybe I just need a really good ear cleaning. But in the meantime, while I sit in my very cold car, I am going to start reading. So I quickly wanted to show you guys the books that I am reading or want to read. Now I have never been the type of person to read books for pleasure. I've only ever read because of like educational purposes. So for school, for certificates, education, whatever. This year I turned 30. My birthday was in January. And one thing I said to myself is like, what can I do this year to just make myself even like 1% better than last year? I came to the conclusion that I need to start exercising my mind a little bit more and just taking care of my brain. Took advantage when I went on my birthday cruise with Alan and I read It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. I actually finally finished it like 2 nights ago. As somebody who is a new reader, I absolutely loved it, but I know I've seen on like Book Talk on TikTok, people who are readers, like they have a lot to say about this book. Either they absolutely love it or they hate it. I decided for my second book, I'm gonna do It Starts With Us by Colleen Hoover. You guys saw I got this from Amazon the other day, so I am very excited to start it. When I'm filming this video, it is the end of February, so I've done 1 book in 2 months, but I want to do a book a month, I think. So I think by the end of the year, I want to read 12 books. I'm gonna hold myself to that. And I bought this very cute bookmark from Amazon also, so it's like this gold feather and it has a gold butterfly. You guys know I love butterflies, so yeah. I have been talking a lot, so I only have a couple of minutes, but I am gonna start this. I love that it says every ending has a beginning. That's why I feel like it's about Lily and Atlas. Okay, I think honestly all I have time for is chapter 1, which was 5 pages, but I read it. I have to go in for my appointment now. Oh my god. So I just finished my appointment. The issue is I have a shit ton of earwax. Basically, the guy, I don't even know what you call them. What do you call ear doctors? I have no idea. Anyways, he put a camera in both of my ears. He started with my left one because that's the one I'm having the most issues with. And basically I have a huge buildup of wax on on my eardrum. That's why I cannot hear. This ear was not as bad, but definitely it needs to be cleaned also. He gave me some eardrops. I have to take this for the next 4 to 5 nights. And then I'm gonna go back on Wednesday and he's gonna do a whole flushing out. He said literally he can't do it right now because it's all dried up and just blocking it. Honestly, probably way too much information to tell you guys and to put on the internet, but it's fine. This is literally me being real and realistic with you guys, so whatever. It's all good. It happens.